Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Smartsheet for project planning and tracking step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Smartsheet website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on this button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click on Create Account. You may need to verify your email address by checking your inbox for a verification link. Once verified, return to the Smartsheet website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be presented with a dashboard. To create your first project, click on the plus icon or Create New option. Choose Blank Sheet to start from scratch, or select a template that suits your needs. Give your project sheet a meaningful name to identify it easily. Next, set up your columns according to the various aspects of your project management. Common columns include task name, start date, end date, assignee, and status. To add columns, click on the column header and select Insert Column. Fill in the required details for each task under the respective columns. You can also add due dates by clicking on the dates in the appropriate column. Assign tasks to team members by entering their names under the assignee column. Utilize the Add Comment feature to provide additional context or clarifications for tasks. Feel free to customize your sheet layout using color coding for better visualization. To track progress, update the status column as tasks move from one phase to another. Consider using the Gantt chart view for a visual representation of your project timeline. This can be accessed by clicking Gantt view on the toolbar. Ensure to save your changes frequently to avoid losing data. Share your project sheet with team members by clicking on the Share button. Enter the email addresses of those you want to invite and adjust their permission levels. You are now set up to use Smartsheet for effective project planning and tracking. Explore additional features like reporting and automation to enhance your project management experience. Regularly revisit and update your project sheet to keep all stakeholders informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.